good guy, man. Good, good. How you doing? Hey y'all, we out here in the event for Big Manny. I'm speaking with man, White Boy John, and he was one of the dynamic three. Or should I say three musketeers, however you want to it. It was him, Manny, and Nasty can be found together on the freeway, sideways, whatever. John, you told me you wasn't able to come inside because I know you were mostly attached to my man because y'all was like that. But with your permission, I said, hey man, do you want to give a shout out that the whole world can see how you feel about the situation?
It's fucked up.
It just, do you want to share any experiences you and Manny shared together, like when y'all went out of town together or riding and whatnot, or, or had love people showed y'all when they saw y'all coming?
He's just like a big brother. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I mean, anybody that knew him knew that he was one of the humblest cats you can know. You know what I'm saying? I mean, everybody loved that man. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, I don't know anybody else that's like him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, who else do you know that's that humble? You know what I'm saying? And the world loves him.
Yeah.
Or at least the bike set does. You know, I mean, it just.
And I didn't know he was a probation officer for all these years.
Yeah.
Hey.
But I mean, shit, even as a probation officer, I talked to him about that.
Yeah.
Even as a probation officer, you know what I'm saying? He was so lenient on the people that he was a probation officer to, you know what I'm saying? I mean, everybody loved him. Everybody loved him.
Well, I will say this, I see you a little bit choked up about it, but if you could, what's one of your best Big Manny moments on y'all wheeling and stunting together, man?
That video that you put together, that me and him was in LA and we was on Broadway and we both did that wheelie all the way up that hill.
Oh, the nighttime in front of Rare Reed. Oh, in front of Magic Wheels. Magic Wheels. Oh yeah, y'all went out of sight, literally.
All the way up that hill, and we was both side to side.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to dig that up, man. Add this to the compilation. Y'all, I'm just letting y'all see what I see. I'm reaching out to people, you know, if they want to put it out, a shout out, we're gonna put it out there so the world can be seen. You know, one of the best statements I love for Big Manny, he would always say, people say, where you from? He said, the earth is my turf. I remember he would always say, earth is my turf, you know? I was like, wow, I couldn't even came up with that idea. He was neutral. I'm here, I'm from everywhere, baby.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, think about it. He did what, 52 states or whatever the fuck it's called?
Yeah, 48 state moves,
48
yeah.
states. He's known all throughout fucking the United States.
Yeah, and Australia, yeah.
And Japan.
Yeah, Japan know him too, yeah.
I mean, come on now. So, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it just, you know, I mean, he's somewhat like a rapper or a singer, you know what I'm saying, but just a fucking bike person. You know what I'm saying? I mean, everybody know rappers and singers. Everybody knew him in the bike set. You know what I'm saying?
And black and white. I know people watch your stuff and pop it. Hey, John, what's that, man? You know, and people who I don't even know say, I've been following you for years. I know you must get that kind of conversations all the time.
Yeah,
is that you? Oh, man, let me shake your hand, man. Let me get a selfie with you, man. No.
And then the funny thing is, it's just every time we go out of town, we always have hella fun. You know what I'm saying? We sit down, we eat, you know what I'm saying? We clown around and you know what I'm saying? Flirt with females and, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. We just have fun. You know what I'm saying? We go out, we have fun. And I mean, you know what I'm saying? Days is gonna be over with now.
Okay. Well, you retired stunting, so you bike is gone. You still ain't gonna get in that distance, John? Nah, ain't gonna do it. I saw you show some buttons, some buttons.
I'm old. I got numb ass.
That's all we got to say. Money Stereo Installation and White Boy John. We right here letting y'all see what we see. Gotta go.